Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD into the device. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM ejector, as I have one right over here. And this is found in a box with the device, so it should be somewhere in between the paperwork. So once you get it, you'll want to pop out the tray, and if you have some case you will need to take off, just like I do. So let's find the tray, which looks to be located on the left upper side of the device. And there we go. Once you push it in, you can see that the tray pops out, and once you take it out, you have space for a single SD card and or dual SIM cards. So you can place your SIM card like so. If I can actually, there we go, flip it over. So that's kind of how you would place the SIM card. And if you plan to use two SIM cards, you just drop out a SD card and put the SIM right here, like so. Oh, but because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna flip it back to how it was. There we go. And then while holding it securely so it doesn't actually fall out of the tray, I'm gonna insert it back into the device. Oh. So there we go, you can see that the SD card is working and SIM card is working as well right now, based on the fact that it tells me to put in a pin for it. So I'm gonna put the pin, and there we go. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.